What exactly makes a video go viral? How can you create content that not only captures attention, but also gets shared? Hey, I'm Marc, a podcast producer and Minvo.pro's content and community co-leader. Today, we're going to dive into these questions by breaking down a short form video created by a new creator friend of mine, Heather Parody, whose videos have had millions of views and a ton of engagement. We'll analyze it in real time, focusing on the key areas that contribute to its virality. An engaging hook, a clear and concise message, an emotional connection, and high-quality production. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what makes a video go viral and how you can apply these principles to your own content. So let's get started by looking at Heather Parody's viral video and uncovering the secrets behind its success. All right, first, let's set up Heather's video. In this clip, Heather uses the brilliant strategy to hook her audience right from the start by mentioning one of the most recognizable names in the world. Let's just play the video.
How has Taylor Swift been so freaking successful at everything?
I really, really want everyone to know the hundreds or thousands of dumb ideas that I've had are what led me to my good ideas. You have to give yourself permission to fail.
Okay, maybe failing isn't the right word though.
So you're off to a great start if your hook starts with Taylor Swift. Coupling that by questioning her success makes it even stronger. The hook is clear and concise, grabbing attention immediately. Now let's look at how Heather follows up on this strong hook. She uses a pattern disrupt technique effectively. A pattern disrupt is a technique used to break the viewer's expectations, keeping their attention by surprising them with something unexpected. It helps in maintaining engagement and interest throughout the video. So right after Taylor Swift's statement, Heather immediately cuts to another famous figure discussing the concept of failure and success.
NBA star Giannis Antetokounmpo reframed it.
Do you get a promotion every year on your job? No, right? So every year you work is a failure. Yes or no? No. Every year you work towards something, towards a goal, to get a promotion, to be able to take care of your family. Michael Jordan played 15 years, won 6 championships. The other 9 years was a failure. It's not a failure. It's steps to success.
So she's created actually a few different pattern disrupts. She brought in a new celebrity figure and name that's recognizable. And if you notice the clips itself, they're constantly moving. There are zoom ins, zoom outs. Sometimes it's taking up the full frame. Sometimes it's only taking up a portion of the frame. These are effective pattern disrupts that keeps audiences' attention. So let's keep things going as Heather transitions from that clip to another well-known figure.
Like Brene Brown famously said, if you have no tolerance for failure, you won't create anything new. That's the recipe, y'all. I mean, that's the recipe.
So did you notice the other pattern disrupt she chose to do here? She actually left in a flub that she made when she was trying to say the word famously. So not only does this cause the pattern disrupt, it's also showing more of her human side, which helps her connect with her audience and vice versa. And did you pay attention to how sometimes she'll transition from one clip or one segment to another? She's using those black flashes and quick animation in between, which again, pattern disrupts. And before I go on, this is your friendly reminder to please like this video. And if you do, please subscribe to our channel so that we can deliver more of this kind of content to you. Heather's video has several elements that contribute to its virality. It's got an engaging hook, starting with Taylor Swift grabs attention immediately. It's got a clear and concise message. It's about success and failure that's delivered quick and effectively. And it's got that emotional connection where Heather is real, sharing her mistakes along with her successes really helps her connect with her audience. And don't forget the high quality production. Between all the pattern disrupts and those visual transitions, this is a high quality piece of content. So take what you've learned from Heather and apply that and see how it increases your chances of getting more views on your content. And remember to stay patient, keep refining, keep tweaking, keep testing. It's not likely that the first video out of the gate's going to get all the views you're hoping for, but stick with it and pay attention to what's working and then double down on that. And if you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments.